Hi, I'm Seth Tietz with Analog Way. Today we're here at the LDI show. What we're showing in our booth today is our Aquilon RS6 processor. This is the most powerful processor on the planet. We can take in up to 32 4K60 444 10-bit sources and go out up to 24 4K60 444 10-bit outputs. In addition, we have two monitoring outputs for control or operator preview, full Dante support, where we can de-embed or re-embed up to 8 channels of audio per input and per output, all within the Aquilon chassis. We have multiple different sizes of the Aquilon chassis, all of which can be linked together to create very large systems, up to 530 megapixels if we were to link 4 of these RS6s together. Here in the booth, we're showing new connectivity cards, including our new 8-way SDI card. So this card on the input side can support up to 4 4K60 inputs or up to 8 3G SDI inputs or a combination thereof. So this will be shipping in Q1, and we're showing that. We're also showing our new 2110 input and output connectivity cards. So we can support 2110 format inputs and outputs within the Aquilon family. As of this month, we're shipping these. So we're showing those. Right over this way, we're actually showing the new connectivity that we have added to the Aquilon series very recently. We can now support DisplayPort 1.4 both on the input and the output side of the Aquilon family. This allows you to do much higher resolution sources. So for instance, our MacBook here is providing us with a 12K by 1200 60 hertz single feed on DisplayPort 1.4 into the system to give us this ultra-wide format signal. This is hugely helpful because now you don't have to worry about syncing of multiple outputs from a Mac system. You can do it all on a single connector. That's all shipping and part of our version 5.0 firmware that's out. Over here, we're showing the system in action. We have our RC400T control console, which also has been vastly upgraded with our version 5 firmware. This is now completely configurable. You can customize every button on this however you like and then save it as a preset so different operators can have different layouts with the RC400T console. And then of course we have our WebRCS control GUI, which is hosted directly on the device for very user-friendly interface. You can see all of your inputs on the left-hand side with vital information and statistics right there at your fingertips. You have program and preview for the various screens, and you can visualize however many of your screens you want to at one time right in the GUI. So it's supported also with a variety of different control modules. We have pre-made Crestron, QSC, AMX, and companion control modules pre-made and easy download for you. So for more information, visit analogway.com. We'd love to hear from you.